This tutorial is for 4th grade, Module 3, Lesson 2. In this lesson, we're going to look at different relationships between the width and length of rectangles. The first question says that you have a rectangular porch that is 4 feet wide, and it is 3 times as long as it is wide. So if I label my porch, I know that the width is 4 feet and that the length is 3 times the dimension of the width. Another way to show that is that each section is 4 feet because the length is going to be 3 times as long as the width. So if I take 3 times 4, I know that my length is 12 feet. So the length is 3 times as long as the width. Now to find the perimeter of the porch, I need to add all the sides. So I know that I have a width of 4 and a length of 12. So if I add those together and multiply it by 2, I'll get my total perimeter. My width of 4, my length of 12, times 2 would give me the 2 missing sides. So 4 plus 12 is 16. 16 times 2, well, I know 15 times 2 is 30, so 16 times 2 is 32. So my perimeter is 32 feet. Let's look at another example. Here I have a narrow rectangular banner. It is 5 inches wide, so I'm going to put that label in. It is 6 times as long as it is wide. So I know that this dimension is going to be 6 times my width, or 6 times 5, which is 30. So the dimensions of the banner are 5 inches by 30 inches. In order to find the perimeter, I can take 5 plus 30, my 2 dimensions, and multiply that times 2. 5 plus 30 is 35. 35 times 2 is 70. So my perimeter is 70 inches. Area is length times width, so I can take 30 times 5 to come up with a final answer of 150. And since I'm measuring area, I know I'm measuring how many squares fill the shape, so my label would be 150 square inches.